Hey, this is Ethan Bidding. I'm a senior project manager for RoofServe, and we're here out just above Atlanta today doing a designer build. We installed a 50-year shingle for them. We actually got this entire thing approved through their insurance, which is Allstate. One of the tougher ones to get a house approved for a full replacement on, but quite good at my job, and I've made a lot of people happy that have Allstate, as well as any other insurance. Our client here did not pay any out-of-pocket cost whatsoever. I meet with your insurance adjuster on the roof and I show them the damage and we get it approved for a full replacement. So 99% of my clients never pay any out-of-pocket. So take a look at that. Phone number is 770-687-1122. Please give me a call anytime if you'd like your roof inspected. I'd be more than happy to help.